I know we haven't been on camera for a bit, but I have to tell you something. The garden certainly has been busy. Hi, I'm Simone from PinchAPennyGardener, and on today's episode, I want to share with you how to build a galvanized flower bed. Okay, so let's get started. I went ahead and I ordered this product on Amazon. Cost me $37. It's a galvanized flower bed, and I'm going to show you the parts that come with it. Also, I'm doing a voiceover because it was really noisy. My neighbors were out and about, and we decided let's just do this voiceover. So it comes with these 4 supporting beams, and you go ahead and you have gloves so that your hands don't get messy. They also give you a bag of bolts. So they have bolts, but there's no screwdriver. I thought that was weird. And they also have given us some ground cover so that weeds don't come up through your flat flower bed. So that's perfect. So you come with a short side. They give you 2 of those, of course. And then you also have this long side. So you have the long side, and again, they're going to give us 2 of these long sides. So the other one is right here underneath that. So you're going to get the long sides, the 2 long sides. You get the 2 short sides. And that's it. That's all you need to help you put it together. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps if you do it right. So let's see if we can get this going. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put up the sidewall because I already connected the long side with the side beam, you see. And you can see that's the long side, and I have the short beam. And I'm going to connect these 2 sides together. So I'm going to screw them together. So like that, we can have our first corner done. So I'm going to do this, and let me tell you what happened. While I was doing this, I made this really awesome discovery. But I'm going to let you see. I put the bolt in here, and I thought I was on my way. See, I'm just screwing this in really tight. I'm like, let's get this in going. Let's line this up, but it's not really lining up. Do you see that? See how it's not lining up? This also happened because I didn't read the directions. I thought I was a genius enough to know, hey, 4 corners, use the bolts. Why? Do I need to read the directions? I'm just going to line it up. It looks pretty simple. And if you ever screwed anything before in together, you should know how to do something this easy. So again, I didn't read the directions. I thought I was like on my way. But as you can see, I can't get it to lay smooth, and I realize I should have read the directions because, you see, I put it in wrong. But I got the snap in right, and so there it was. I got the top and the bottom screwed together, and I'm going to do this now on all 4 corners. So that's what I'm going to do, and that shouldn't take me that long, so let's go ahead and for the creation of video, we're going to go ahead and put it together. Okay, the reason why I'm using this galvanized flower bed is because remember that time I told you to maintain your flower beds? I showed the episode about maintaining your flower beds. Well, in our case, right in the middle of planting season, one of our flower beds got completely demolished. It was a wood one. So through wear and tear, it got wrecked. But this is why I'm using the galvanized flower beds, because it seems to be really popular, and more people are using the galvanized flower beds than the wood ones because it seems to last longer, and sometimes it's a little bit better because if you have like hot crops and cold crops, it keeps an equal level temperature. So that's really why you want to use a galvanized flower bed. So that's why I'm using it. I'm replacing the wood one that was wrecked in the middle of our planting season. So I recommend them. Okay, I want you to see here how it looked when you screwed it from the inside. Just so you know that there are actually 4 holes on each side beam. So I'm just letting you know, you see when you screw it on the inside what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screw all the way down to the bottom there so you can see that when you put the bolt in, you just put it in. And I'm going to screw the last one there. So we got it tight. And I'm going to do the same thing on all 4 corners because remember I just did the top and the bottom. So I'm going to put them all in. So like that, all 4 angles have the screws all in. All of the holes that are there. So I'm going to get that screwed in for us real quick. It's pretty easy though. This is a pretty good project here. It's worth the $37 I think so far because it was simple. Yeah, and I'm done. So don't forget to like and subscribe to PinchAPennyGardener. Here at PinchAPennyGardener, at the end of the day, when I'm done gardening, I like to close the evening out with a song.
Come down to the Sunshine State, we got flowers and veggies aplenty. We'll teach you how to pinch a penny. I'm talking about PinchAPennyGardener. Yeah, PinchAPennyGardener. We'll teach you all you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe and like the show.